make something that meets the requirements of your client, you sometimes need to think outside the box. That's what Butler did. Butler is a small problem-solving company located near Stavanger. They were challenged by Ocean Installer to make a clamp to hold bend stiffeners in place using ROVs. The result is the new ROV hang-off friction clamp, designed and manufactured by Butler. Bend stiffeners are used to support flexible pipe, umbilicals and cables when connected to rigid structures or a floating production system where there is a requirement to control the minimum bend rad. They are usually attached at either the topside or seabed connection. A bend stiffener is heavy, so the clamp must be able to apply a very strong grip. That grip strength is what Butler wants to test today. During the test, a piece of pipe representing a bent stiffener will be placed on a thick steel beam. Then the ROV hang-off friction clamp will be placed around the pipe. A thick metal disc is then placed on top of the ROV hang-off friction clamp. A new steel beam is then placed above and attached to the one below with two thick chains. A hydraulic jack is placed between the thick metal disc and the steel beam above, allowing it to put pressure on the friction clamp. The jack applies a pressure of 5,170 bars. For the test to be successful, the ROV hang-off friction clamp must hold its grip for 5 minutes. A third-party inspector places a jack over the pipe and applies the required pressure. The ROV hang-off friction clamp Butler made consists of several buoyancy elements. This makes the clamp almost weightless underwater, making it very easy to handle for the ROV. The clamp is designed so that only one hydraulic motor is needed to open and shut both sides of the clamp. A smart locking mechanism makes it possible to take away the hydraulic pressure after the clamp is in place.
Vi er her for å teste et klammer, at han holder den vekta som han skal holde. Så har vi 50% overlast for å være helt sikre. Det ser bra ut. Han har seget bitte litt, så vi får bare merke opp en gang til, og så får vi ta testen en gang til og se om han holder. Viktigheten er for oss å vite at utstyret holder det som de lover.
The ROV hang-off friction clamp passed the test with flying colors. Yet another product designed and manufactured by Butler is ready to go to work.